Welcome. In front of me I have the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, and I'll be showing you how you can apply the lens protection to your cameras. Okay, so I'll be using some kind of lens protect version of this. You can see right here. But if you on the fence which one you should buy and if brand really matters, you shouldn't really care about that much. For instance, you have Spigen one, which is double the price. And just to kind of give you a little bit of a sneak peek. And this is the tech whatever, right? The half the price of what Spigen has. And well, we can clearly already see on a picture, but I do want to take it out. Oh, it's glued sides because of course it does. There we go. So in here, just a little quick of a snippet. I shouldn't probably have opened it up. You can see it's basically the same thing, though this, and these are all separated as well as these are, and basically comes with the same kind of thing. Just a ring that you place on individually, and they're in this kind of cutout. So anyway, I'm going to be applying the thing that basically does the same exact thing but costs half the price. So anyway, let's move on. Now in the box we get the wet wipe right here, and sticky things, so we can kind of like, put it on there and remove dust. We're not even going to bother with this. I already have one laying around here that I'm going to use for cleaning. And you basically want to clean off the lens and around the perimeter of it, so the metal portion around. And reason for that is the lens protector will kind of go around it and just stick barely to this kind of portions right here. I think this is glass right here. So anyway, just give it a quick wipe. Yep, good enough. And let's just peel that off now. And I'm kind of curious, is this? I think we might just be able to flip it upside down and automatically apply it, but I want to quickly check if there's any kind of info about this. And there isn't. So let's attempt this. I'm going to flip it upside down. Oh no. Uh-oh. Crap. Oh. Guess one is off. Well shit, it went off the table. Oh boy, where the hell is it? Not the most optimal beginning, and I'm pretty sure this one now has some dust in it, which not the best kind of result right here. Let's try that again. Oh, disregard that. I'm just gonna apply it. Boom. Now what you should be able to do is just flip them over, and if you're decent enough, instead of them sticking to the side somewhere and just kind of gluing themselves where they shouldn't, this should, let's see if I can do this now. There we go, do this. That's what I meant to. And you just press that in, and then remove it. And that's basically all we needed to do. Now, as you've seen, for me, when I first applied it, I was a little bit off, so when I placed it down, the actual lens that has the glue on it stuck a little bit off center, so I wasn't able to push it down, so Therefore, I tried to, like, you know, remove it, and I just got one of those lenses taken off. But even though it fell off, it still seemed to be fine. Anyway, let's quickly give it a wipe. Okay, one thing to also notice. So for instance, it's visible right on the top one right now, so the wide lens. I'm gonna try to show you this. You can see there is a little bit of like weird circling happening right here. This is a little bit more visible in person than on the camera, but this is just kind of air. So when you see this, just push it down. When you do, give it a little wipe, and you can see there's no longer any kind of weirdness happening to it. Okay, there we go. Now on the tiny ones, I don't see any kind of problems. So yeah, this is all basically pretty nicely applied. Even though I did mess it up by just kind of dropping the thing, it still came out basically perfectly. So there we go. Anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.